Hi, I'm Chris with Adventures in DIY. And this project started whenever I noticed that my headphones were wearing on one side where I laid them on the desk. So I decided to make a handgun headphone holder. Let me show you how I made it. I'm just using a set of super cheap chisels for this part. This is one of those like $10 sets that you can get. I'm using some Rust-Oleum smoke gray on this. So if you end up painting a stripe on this, like I'm going to do now, don't start with the gray. Start with the color that you're going to use for the stripe and then work your way backwards. So what I'm using is this Rust-Oleum Gloss Real Orange. This is pinstriping tape that I'm using. Now to lay down a couple coats of black paint. I'm going to put it in this plastic bag and treat it like I'm frosting this. So this project took over 70 pencils and some scrap wood to make. And this is the first time I've ever done anything like this handgun. It was kind of fun trying to figure out which tools might work, modifying some, like wrapping that sandpaper around the files to help with the contours. And it should be pretty interesting whenever I take this to work on Monday. We'll see how security likes that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe below. Check us out on the social media networks, Google+, Twitter, and friend us on Facebook. I was posting pictures of this thing as I was building it, so you can kind of see what's going on behind the scenes. And most importantly, get out there and make something.